Hello everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Banana Republic credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your Banana Republic credit card, then it's quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in bananarepublic.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the card activation page. Go ahead and fill in the information in the text boxes in order to activate your new card for Banana Republic. Start off by typing in your card number that is available on your Banana Republic card. It is 16-digit long. Once you type in the correct information, head over to the next field and type in the security code. Your security code will be 3 digits long. Make sure to look for your security code on the back of your credit card. And now, head over to the next field and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Select your occupation from the drop-down and finally click the activate button in order to activate your Banana Republic credit card online with a few simple steps. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.